Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Maytag refrigerator freezer door gasket. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the instruction sheet and the new freezer door gasket. The freezer door gasket seals the freezer door. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's damaged and it's letting warm air leak in, causing ice to build up, or the freezer's not getting down to the correct temperature. In order to change out the part, we have to open up the freezer door. Now that we have the door open, we have access to the door gasket. It's just pushed into a channel around the door, so we just have to carefully pull it out. Once you have it started, you can pull it out all the way around the door. Once you have it off, you can kind of slide it over and get one end off, stretch it out around the door. Once you have it free, you can pull it off the refrigerator. Here's the old freezer door gasket next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. These gaskets do get deformed and kinked a little bit in shipping, so if you look at the instruction sheet, you can use a heat source, some hot water, the sun, or a hair dryer to help get the creases out before you put it on. To put the new freezer door gasket on, we're just gonna stretch it over the door, just like we took the old one off. Once you have it in place, you want to make sure this rib is lined up and pressed into the channel all the way around the door so it seals good. You just have to go around and work it in. Once you have it pressed in, then you can take the hair dryer and lightly heat this area up and make sure that these kinks are gone before you close the door. Once you have the gasket nice and smooth, you can close the door, plug it back in, and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.